and welcome back for this video. So on this video, I'm going to show you how I can save 10,000 players or more data without losing any of it. So if you're beginner at programming in Roblox Studio, you probably use data store, service. So data store service is pretty bad because you lose a lot of data, and it's not that good if you want to become a really good developer. So if you want to hire me or just hire me, my Discord is in below. You can send me a message. I like it. But now let's get into the script. So now let's see. I use strict. So if you don't know, strict is a way to make your code strict. Because I don't know if you're just a beginner developer, you don't know what types. Types is this. Number, that's the type. Here. That's the type. But if you don't put the type, the mode gonna tell you, okay man, stop, you need to use type. That is not the type that you said about. So that's why I use strict, because if you use a basic mode, that's you're gonna let arrow flow and pass without knowing any of it and spend 3 hours on it. So I don't want that. But now let's get into the types. Here, let's see the types. Okay, profile types. So again, that makes it hard at the first look, but it's pretty simple. So that is the player profile. The type of the data. The money needs to be numbered, the XP a number, the inventory that needs to be a plastic with number, things like that. But here it's a bit hard profile. I know it's hard at first thing, but it seems simple again. So that's the profile. The profile needs to have data and his method. So what's that? The little arrow. So the arrow is to tell what that's return, or is it a function? So yeah, it makes it hard at first, but it's for a function. So I think you're not at that level now, but just to tell. And that's the profile store, the function we use it. Okay. Now let's get into the pro. And by the way, all the service. If you want to, if you want to me to explain the service, I can tell that. That's oh yeah, man. I know it looks hard, but I got a lot of experience, so I know how to handle that. But now let's get it. And it's not finished. It was tycoon, but I can't do it alone. So okay, because I'm not that. I didn't use the service locator or event burst, signal service, things like that. Okay, but now let's get into the scripts. Okay, so that's the profile template. The player that starts with the data. It starts with 0 money, level 1. That's the okay. And here, if you have any error with the profile's data, that's like it got no error, but it won't store. Like there's no store, maybe because you already used and you made change here before. Okay, now let's get it in the first function, the load function. Here, if you don't know, that's what it returns. So we don't really know. It may be nil. It may be nothing. It may be the profile, and that's the little question mark. It's I don't know how to say, but it can be nothing. It can return nothing, like nil. Okay, so here is the basic function of the profile service with add user ID, reconcile. Reconcile is used because if you've like the player go, but he only have money. But if after in the script you add gems, the player don't gonna have it. That's why loleris made reconcile to reconcile the data. Okay, listen to release. So that is it's from, I don't know how to explain it, but if you want a video about it, I can explain it. Okay, here the get profile again, pretty simple. We return the profile of the player, and we said it may return the profile or nothing. We don't really know. That's why you put the question mark. And the force say, imagine the player buy Robux thing, and we need to force the save because it's important. It's really important. And that's the release when the player quits. No, that's when the player quits. Sorry. Okay, and that's everything for now. I'm gonna make a video about other service like the economic service, the world service, the machine service, and things like that. Bye. And yes, I forgot. If you want to hire me, my Discord is below. If you have any question about what is that, even a simple question, I can answer in the comments. Call me and clearly, whatever you want. Bye. Have a good day.